In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to use Tinkercad for beginners. If you've never used Tinkercad before, don't worry. This beginner-friendly tutorial will walk you through the basics of creating your first 3D design from start to finish. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the Tinkercad website. Sign in to your account or create a new one if you're using Tinkercad for the first time. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Tinkercad dashboard. Click Create New Design ** to open the 3D editor. After the workspace loads, you'll notice the workplane in the center, the Shapes panel on the right, and the navigation controls around the workspace. These are the main tools you'll use to build your models. To create your first object, drag a basic shape, such as a box, onto the workplane. Click the shape to select it. You can resize it by dragging the white corner handles, change its height using the top handle, and rotate it using the curved arrows. Move the object by dragging it to a new position on the workplane. Next, try adding another shape. You can combine different objects to create more interesting designs. Use the ** align ** tool to line up objects neatly, and use the ** group ** tool to merge multiple shapes into a single model. If you want to remove part of a shape, change another object into a hole and group them together to cut out sections of your design. As you work, Tinkercad automatically saves your progress online, so you don't need to save your project manually. When your model is complete, click the * export * button to download it as an STL or OBJ file if you want to 3D print it or use it in other software. The more you practice using shapes, grouping, aligning, and rotating objects, the more confident you'll become. Start with simple projects and gradually move on to more detailed designs. And that's how to use Tinkercad for beginners.